Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do tune-up exercises for 6.1 today for SAT Math Level 1 prep course, 70 lessons. Email me here for the whole course materials. 6.1 tune-up exercises, we got 58 points here on this sheet here for the tune-up, and then there were 42 points on your notebook taking on the lecture part of this. And number 1, in the figure above, x plus y equals what? So we got to find what these angle measures are. Then number 2, what is the value of y here? You got to find this here. So good old geometry. Then number 3, in the figure above, line 1 is parallel to line 2. What is the value of x here? What is the value of that? 2 points for that. Page 4. In the figure above, what is the sum of the degree measures of all the angles marked here? What would be the measures of these angles here? And then number 5, in the figure above, what is y in terms of x? So we need to find y in terms of x here. You have x here, then y. Well, I'm not going to let you. I'll let you do that. And then number 6, in the figure above, if line segment AB is parallel to line segment CD, AB and CD, these are parallel. What is the value of y here? So these should be y here. And page 7, problem 7, figure not drawn on scale, in triangle RST above, what is the value of x? So we have another one of those, RST here. And number 8, in the figure above, x equals what? As far as lengths here. And then number 9, a triangle JKL above, what is the value of x? Now, all these solutions are available in a correction PowerPoint, but you have to contact me for those. I will send those out to you on an individual basis. Then number 10, figure not drawn to scale. In the figure above, what is the ratio of RW to WS? So what is the ratio of this to this? And then number 11, Katie hikes 5 miles north, 7 miles east, blah, blah, blah. What number is the miles measured in a straight line is Katie from her starting point? So number 11. Number 12, figure not drawn to scale again. If AB equals BD, AB equals BD here. Which of the following statements must be true in that situation there? And you have multiple kinds of scenarios down here for that. And then number 13 and 14, how many different triangles are there from which lengths of the sides 3, 8, and n? Where n is an integer and blah, 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 this situation here. So this is not this. 14 pertains to this here. In the figure above, AC, blah, blah, blah. Then AE, so you got to find this length here. And for number 15, what is the number of sides of a polygon, which is the sum of the degree measures of the interior angles, blah, blah, blah. The sum of degree measures of exterior angles now. Number 16, for a parallelogram above, these two sides here would be parallel and these sides would be parallel. Then you have this situation here, and then which one of these would pertain to this parallelogram here with these given conditions here. AB is greater than BD. And then number 17, in the figure above, CD equals 1, so you have these different lengths of sides here. Then BC, so you're trying to find BC here, this total length here. Number 16, number 18, we have this situation here. what is the sum of the degree measures of the marked angles in the figure above? So what is the degree measure of this angle and then this angle, these angles here? So you're trying to find the exterior angles of this trapezoid here. I assume it doesn't say it's a trapezoid. It doesn't have to be a trapezoid, but it looks like one. And that's problem number 18. And then problem number 19, interior angle, regular polygon, blah, blah, blah. How many sides does polygon have? And then we get into our grid ends here. So the good practice here for you to grid in a solution. In the accompanying figure of the pentagon, A, B, C, D, E, points F and A and B lie on the same line. F, A, and B, F, A, and B. What is the value of Y? So what is the value of Y up here? And then number 2 of the grid in the figure above, what is the value of X? So here's the value of X here. Then you have 3 times that here. What is that value? Grid in number 3. In this figure here, segment AB is parallel to segment CD. So AB is parallel to CD here. AD equals 30. AB equals 21. And CD equals 15. What is the length of DE? So you're trying to find this length here. And then number 4, grid in number 4, you have this scenario here. What is the value of X? So you're trying to find your angle measure here of X here. And number 5, grid in. 2 hikers at the end of their hikes. How many miles apart are the 2 hikers? And that is your 6.1 tune-up.